their logo tag is upside down. So I decided that I was going to contact Jimmy Bean's Wool about my issues with my bag. Hello everyone, welcome back to Madison Day Crochet. I hope you all are doing well. Recently, I got some happy mail from a company called Jimmy Bean's Wool, and I thought I would share with you guys what I got and kind of do like an unboxing. So Jimmy Bean's Wool is a yarn friendly company where they sell yarn, but they also design and sell maker bags. I got one of their Namaste bags for Christmas about 2 years ago, and so recently they came out with a new line called DellaQ, and I wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail. So here is the DellaQ roll top bag in the color mustard. It is a canvas-like bag with this leather strap, and it's a roll top, so if you unbuckle it here, it opens up and it becomes an even bigger bag. And then it has this really cool handle in the back to where you could carry it this way if you don't want to wear it on your shoulder. So let's take a look on the inside. There's 2 pockets here in the front, and then here's their logo. And if you stand up your bag and open it up, there are 2 snaps on the top to where you can snap it closed so nothing will fall out of it. It includes this really cool yarn cutter, which is a brand new feature to their bags. And then they also have a yarn runner where you can have your yarn in your bag and it come out of your bag and not get tangled while you're crocheting or knitting. And as you can see, as I open this bag, it's pretty roomy inside. I can show you guys that there's even little pockets for like a crochet hook or knitting needles or a pen or a pencil if you need that. You just fold it back over and snap it closed. And there it is, the roll top bag. So I don't know if you guys noticed while I was showing you guys the bag, but their logo tag is upside down. Another thing that I noticed that was missing when I got my bag was usually when you buy a bag from Jimmy Bean's Wool, it comes with a couple of little accessories. They like to give you a darning needle, a little notebook so you could just make notes in, and usually they include a stitch marker with this same little logo, the locust flower. This one is supposed to come with a safety pin with 3 of those stitch markers, but unfortunately those were not in my bag either. So I decided that I was going to contact Jimmy Bean's Wool about my issues with my bag, and they were super quick to respond to me. Like within an hour of me emailing them, they emailed me back, and they immediately sent me a brand new bag. So recently I got it in the mail. I haven't even opened it yet. So we're gonna open it together and we're gonna see if everything's there. Okay, so here is my replacement package that I got in the mail, and I'm literally opening it for the first time with you guys. Okay, I'm gonna slide this bag out. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Okay, so this is pretty much how your bag comes in. Comes in this clear bag with their cute little logo on it. And this one says that I got the roll top bag mustard color. So let's go ahead and open this guy. And wow. Okay, so first I noticed that the tag is correct. You can see. Yeah. Yep, it's in the correct format it should be. So let's open our bag. Let's see if we can find those extras. Remember how I said that the safety pin goes here? Well, it's supposed to be somewhere in my bag. So we're gonna just check all these pockets. There it is. Okay, so this is what I was telling you guys that's supposed to come with your bag. This little notebook. It's just a little notepad for you to take notes in if you'd like. A darning needle, because who doesn't need a darning needle? I lose these all the time. And then this really cool safety pin with 3 stitch markers, and that is supposed to go here. One of my first impressions of this bag is that the mustard color isn't vibrant, which I'm very happy about that, because when I looked at buying one of these roll top bags, I considered buying the mustard or the olive. I really liked the mustard, but I was afraid it was going to be too bright, that I would super stand out when using this bag. So when I received this and saw that the mustard color was not as bright as it was on the website, I was very happy to see that. Next is the sturdiness of the strap. Like, this is pretty thick material to where this should last a pretty long time, and it will handle, you know, a bunch of yarn. Like, if you wanted to stuff this thing full with like 8 skeins of yarn, you know, you're not going to ruin your strap by doing so. I also like the fact that there's this extra padding that will like sit on your shoulder, because it is like a shoulder bag. It'll help make it more comfortable when you're wearing it, especially when it is full of stuff. And I love that if you don't have a lot of stuff to put in the bag can seem smaller, and then if you want more room in your bag, you just unhook it and it stands up like so, to where you can have a bigger bag. I loved that option. I didn't want a huge bag because I already have the Namaste Maker backpack, and I use that a lot when I'm traveling with like my laptop and I want to use it for a big project. I wanted like a smaller, not too small to where I can still carry a couple of skeins of yarn in it, but not too big to where it would basically replace my backpack. But I also wanted to have like a purse. I also love that there are lots of pockets. I can never go wrong with lots of pockets. There's 2 pockets in the front, there's a zipper pocket in the back, there's 2 to 3 pockets inside the bag, and then of course the big pocket, which is the full bag. The last feature that I really love about this bag is that the outside canvas material is actually waterproof. So your bag can get wet but not get ruined, and it protects what's inside your bag from getting wet. So like your yarn wouldn't get wet. If you're caught in the rain, like this isn't like leather that's going to get ruined by getting wet. And so it's definitely like a weatherproof, waterproof bag to where you can use it in, you know, sunshine or rain, and it still keep its look without getting ruined or water stained. Needless to say, I am super satisfied with how Jimmy Beans Wool handled this situation. Honestly, I was so excited to buy this bag, and it was on pre-order, and I was shocked that it actually even came within 3 days of me ordering it because it was a pre-order. And when I received my bag and I was missing stuff and the bag wasn't quite right, I was really bummed. Like, I was ready to use this bag, and then it wasn't quite what I had expected or what I wanted it to be. and I am just super thankful that they responded to me really quickly and they like handled the situation. And I hope you guys enjoyed going on this little journey with me. If you want to see more product reviews from me, leave me a comment below and let me know what you'd like me to review. I know there's a bunch of yarn related stuff that I could be reviewing that I would love to check out. Some things I might have used and other things I might not have. So let me know what you want to see me review, and I will see you guys next time.